Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Example number one, a portfolio is constituted with four security, having the following characteristics. See, for example, we have a security, we have a portfolio, and this portfolio is made out of four securities. How many securities in this example? Four securities. What are the securities? Security A, security B, security C, and security D. Whatever I have mentioned in the previous video. This is the return of each security. For example, security A will provide 17.5 percentage return. Security B will provide 24.8. Security C 15.7. Security D 21.3. Then the next column is proportion of investment. Proportion of investment means out of your total investment. So total investment means 100% of investment. How many percentage is invested in A? How many percentage invested in B? How many percentage in C as well as in D? So 15 plus 25 become 40. 40 plus this one become 90. Become 85. 85 plus 15 become equal how much? 100. So it is in the decimal, so definitely the total should not be more than 100, right? So in this case, we need one more column in order to multiply R into P. This is basically R column. Which column? R. Sorry, not P but X. So we have to multiply R into X. In order to do it easily and quickly, so it is better to do this one with Excel. So go for the inserting an Excel file here, right? Yep. So now let me go to check the spine. Of course, let us bring it on this side. If you want to solve with the Excel, of course, you have to click on this one. Okay, fine. Click on the edit. Right? Now you can solve this one with the Excel. Well, of course, first of all, you have to take the IDs or the informations. So increase the font size. Make it 18. It's good now, right? So how many columns are required? Basically, 4 columns are required. The first one is, of course, for what? For security. Security. So increase the size of this one. Second column is for return. Of course, that is in the form of percentage, right? Next one, increase this. Go for the next column. This is basically proportion of investment. Proportion of investment. So proportion of investment, this column. Of course, remember this column is R column, and this column is basically X column, right? And the next one is basically R into X. So R should be multiplied to X. Give or provide information regarding your security. A security, B security, C security, D security. If you have more than this, so it's simple, you can combine it. Then provide the return of each. For example, the first one is 17.5 percentage. Go for the second one, 24.8 percentage. Go for the third one, it is 15.3 percentage, right? And the last one, 21.3 percentage, right? That was 15.7, right? 15.7. So everything is fine. So this was okay, 24.8, and everything is now fine. Then provide information regarding this proportion of investment. So it is in the form of decimal, but also you can take it in the form of percentage. Second one, 0.25. Third one is basically 0.45. And the next one is, of course, 0.115. So if you find the total, of course, the total will not be more than 1, right? So the total of this one is equal to 1. Leave this one. Now, in the next column, of course, you have to multiply R into X. This is R column and this is X column. R should be multiplied to which column? To X column. Multiply simply to this one, right? Now you can find. So how you can find it for the rest of the columns? Of course, you have to expand it, right? So now it is done. It's done. Now here you can find out the expected return. Expected R bar P, right? You can mention R bar P, right? R bar P. So reduce or decrease the size of this one. Of course, also you can go for this one. So for subscript, right? Subscript this one, now it is fine, right? So R bar P. How to find out the total of this one? Of course, you have to sum up all. Sum up which you have to sum up all this three, right? Now close this one, find out. So now, how much percentage is the expected return? So this is the expected return of the portfolio for this example number one. This is equal to 19%. So let me close this one. Yes, we want to save it, right? So expected return of this portfolio is equal to how many percentage? 19%. So 19% is the expected return of example number one. It means if you invest in the following securities with this return and this proportion of investment, at the end you can make 1 lakh. At the end you can make 19.1%. Of course, this is in the form of percentage. Let us assume that in this example you made, for example, 5 lakh investment, right? In this example, for example, you made 5 lakh investment. So 5 lakh into 19%, 19.1%. How can you find out the profitability of the project? How can you find out the profitability? Simply, you can do like this. So 5 lakh, right? 5 lakh multiply to 19.1. Let us say, for example, you have invested this much only, right? So if you equal it, okay, sorry, there's a mistake. 19.1 percentage, right? So it means you made how much profit? 95,500. So if you invest 5 lakh in this project, suppose this is the profitability of the project. If you invest 5 lakh at this rate of return, your return will be 95,500. If you invest more than that or less than that, whatever you invest, so you get this much return from your investment.